Well, you don't get to allow or disallow a grown man's decision. This is not 1988.
My son will not marry some random person trying to get a shortcut to success. He needs a woman who is
a clone of yourself. Because you know that Azuka cannot manage that business that you need to build. Let's agree on 2 things, please. Just 2 things. First thing, Azuka is an ignorant, spineless whip. Oh yes, we both agree on that. And then the second thing, you don't care about love.
You had better watch your tone, young lady.
It's just me and you here. I see myself in you.